Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to post a TikTok video on your Instagram story. Really easy and simple to do, just a couple steps. So all you have to do is just head over to TikTok first and just find a video that you want to post on your Instagram story. So I'll just take this video right here just for a perfect example. All you have to do is click on the share button on TikTok, and then you'll see an option to save your video. So you just want to click on save video, and this will save it to your camera roll. Once you've done that, you can click on done and exit out of the TikTok application and open up Instagram. Once you're on Instagram, you want to click on the little plus button to open up your story. And then you want to click on your photo options at the bottom left. And then click on the video that you want to add from TikTok. And then once you're at this point here, you can just click on next. And then you can go ahead and share it to your story if you wanted to. And it's that easy. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to share your TikTok videos to your Instagram stories. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.